Hey guys, welcome back. It's Pash if you're new. Hey girl. And today I'll be doing a installation and a review on the hair that I have installed right now. It is by a company called Yolova Hair. If you want to know all about this hair, please stay tuned to the video. So you can have your edges out on the side, which is convenient especially if you don't mind your hair being out. I mean, or don't really want to, deal with. What?
Girl, that brush hard as hell.
Well, what you want me to do?
Be a little gentle.
Y'all, what in the hell? If you don't, where a mirror at? You finna have me out here looking like these regular, girl, if you don't shorten that. Kayla, don't play with me. I'm trying, bro. I do not want my edges. Do they need to be thinner? That's long as hell.
I'm about to cut it. Here.
Is that my, oh, that's my hair. Okay, so I have everything on my phone right here. Now, these are the specs of the hair before I get into my actual opinion about the hair. So, this is the Loose Deep 4x4 lace wig. It's 180 density and it's in the natural black human hair color. I did get this in a 22 inch and the value of the 22 inch is $242, but you can also do 4 installments of $60.50 if you want to do quad pay. Now, Let's run it down. I like the wig. I was nervous at first because I didn't think it would fit my big head. But apparently what they don't tell you is with it being a 4x4, basically your edges are going to be out. Now I've watched a few videos on the installation process of a 4x4 wig, and I've never seen anybody have to leave their the side edges out. In the clips you've already seen what I was talking about, but when I got the wig I'm like, this doesn't fit. Like, I don't have a big head, but I didn't think my head was that big. But they told me that it was some type of wig. Let me see if I can find what she said. This is not a head mounted wig. So, not really sure what that means, but just letting you know for future reference, since it is not listed in the description on the website underneath this wig. And then you order it and then you're upset that you have to have your edges out. So I didn't mind my edges being out. If the unit was colored, then I would definitely have had an issue. And I did kind of want to color this to see what it would look like. But with my edges having to be out, probably won't do that. It's okay though. So 22 inches. Now the hair texture is really nice. It was no smell to it. And I will say there are a lot of filler strands in the hair. It's supposed to be black, but it's definitely not black. I mean, it's not black. And you can, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are a lot of brown filler strands in here. Now, as far as the lace goes, it was very hard to dye the knots. They are very thick, like thick. And the knots in the front were dyed easier than the actual knots throughout the 4x4. But my sister was able to finesse and put the foundation on the front and the parts. Now, I probably will go back and do foundation underneath the wig, like on the actual lace, so that the whole 4x4 could be the color of my scalp. Yeah, the lace is very thick. It's not on the thinner side. I think she did a pretty good job. Like, I will wear it out. I would have no issue. So, it is like thin. So this is the hair split down the middle. And it's dense up here, but once you get to the end, of course, it's definitely thinner. So with that, you know, it's not completely 22 inches. What is this? The actual, what is this thing on my head? The frontal, there you go. The frontal right here is definitely shorter. So what my thing is, if you're gonna have a frontal, you should definitely say that, yeah, the longest length of the hair is 22 inches, but the frontal is definitely not 22 inches, which is fine. But for the frontal to be up here and then my hair to stop down here is a big difference when it comes to curling your hair. So now I'll have to have my sister come in and add some middle layers because the frontal is shorter. So that's why I was having some like issues over here curling my hair, because as you can see, it gets like really thin and it doesn't stick because the frontal is so thick at the top. Look how the little strand is. It's like wimpy, and I don't like that. So I will have my sister come in and I'm just letting that be over here and add some layers because I like, you know, the hair to be curly, but it needs layers. It needs to be layered. So yeah, it's really nice. I want to see if it's going to actually go back to its natural curl pattern when I'm done with it being curled. We'll see. So if you guys would like to purchase this hair, there is a discount code and it will be in the description box below. The website, all the information to this wig will also be in the description box below. Okay, so that is all for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.